Have you ever opened your laptop to start working and suddenly you are scrolling Instagram, watching reels, or just doing everything except what you planned? You had the energy, you had time, but somehow you just couldn't focus. That's not just your problem, it's what millions of people face every day. We want to be productive, but we don't know how to actually stay focused. In this video, I am going to solve that, not with those boring tips like wake up at 5 a.m. or just stay off your phone. That stuff doesn't work anymore. Instead, I will show you a simple 3-step method I personally use. I call it the productivity pyramid. It helps you go from confused and distracted to clear, focused, and consistent, even if you are someone who usually gets bored fast. And if you stick with me till the end, I will share one tiny habit takes just 30 seconds a day that helped me double my focus without using any apps or timers. This might be the last video you will need to fix your focus. Let's get started. The first reason you are not productive is simple. You are not clear on what to do. Most of us wake up, check our phones, and jump straight into tasks without knowing what really matters. Every morning, just take 5 minutes to plan your day. Ask yourself, what's the one task that will make today feel successful? That's your daily highlight. Forget the long to-do lists. Just focus on that one important thing and the rest becomes easier. Now you know what to do, but distractions kill your focus. The problem isn't your brain, it's your environment. Your phone buzzes, Instagram tempts you, and even YouTube can pull you in with just one click. Here's how to take control. Keep your phone away or on airplane mode during your work. Use the 25 by 5 method. It's like 25 minutes deep work and 5 minutes break. Use apps like Focus Keeper or Forest to stay on track. Also clean your workspace. A clean desk equal to a clean mind. Last and most powerful is consistency. One productive day doesn't change your life, but 20 small productive days, that's a game changer. Most people quit because they expect big results in one day, but productivity grows like a muscle. Slow at first, then it gets easier. Here's what to do. Every night before bed, ask yourself 3 quick questions. Did I complete my highlight today? What distracted me the most? What will I fix tomorrow? These 3 questions build self-awareness, and trust me, that's what builds long-term focus. Okay, you stay till the end. So here's the 30-second habit I promised. Right after waking up, before you touch your phone, sit up straight and take 3 deep breaths and say out loud, what is the most important thing I need to do today? This one question gives your brain direction from the very first minute. Do it for 7 days and you will notice your mind starts working with you, not against you. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters with focus. Use the productivity pyramid: clarity, control, compounding. And don't forget that tiny morning habit. It could be your real turning point. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a brain emoji in the comments, and subscribe for more no fluff videos that actually help. You got this, and this is your friend Chaitu signing off. Bye bye.